are you? Ito ba yung phone? Harap tayo, dito tayo ng konti. Dito rin lang ba? Sige, okay. Dito rin, oh sige. Ay, why don't you greet everyone?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations po kay Kim Molina and Gerald Napoles. Lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. Parang ito rin yun eh.
Ito nga, sinasabi na reunion din tayo.
Ayan, congratulations. And to Direk RC, thank you, congratulations. And I can't wait to see the film.
Thank you very much, Barbs. We appreciate you so much. Palakpakan natin, Barbie Forteza. Thank you very much, Barbs. You may proceed. RC, Tilas Reyes. Hi, Direk. Good to see you again. Yes, pupunta po ulit sa photo wall. Maya-maya konti pag-akit po nila. Babalik po na. Okay? Once again, Wonderful Nightmare is rated PG by the MTRCB, showing in cinemas nationwide. Wow! Ang ganda naman. Ayan na po sila. Ayan na po. Ayan po. Ayan na. Gusto ko yung pagbati niya kompleto may apelido. Ayan, Mr. Gerald Napoles, ibigay po po sa iyong pieces. I love you, Tol. Congratulations, ayan. Doing the rounds. Oo, doing the rounds ang ating mga artists, ang ating powerhouse couple. Ayan naman.
Oh, simulan na ang pelikula. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa kabila ng mataas na presyo ng pamasahe at ng gasolina or ng crudo, maraming salamat nandito kayo. I think it's time for us to enjoy our time and ourselves while everything is happening sa ngayon. Masasabi na natin na parang mas mura na ang sine kaysa sa pamasahe.
Totoo yan!
Kaya it's time for you to watch the movie.
That's right, baby.
Ano po yung tanong?
Ang pakiramdam bilang ito ang unang pelikula ninyo na lumabas na mag-asawa na kayo. Yes!
Ano? First time kong nasa credits ba direct? I think. First time yata ito na ang credits may dagdag sa pangalan ko.
Ooh!
Hindi ko sure kung na-add siya. But yun. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited. And also we have friends na manonood ngayon. Oo. Ah! Hello, our mascot friends!
Ayun na nga ang
my
friends.
Daddy!
There are the
Daddy,
friends.
there! Chikoy! Oh my gosh! Oh, hi,
Hello,
Mama!
friends.
Yung ninong namin in January, Ninong Alex.
Oo nga, si Ninong.
Siya din yung host.
Ako din po yung host ng kasal eh.
Mine is there, Carrie! Hi, Carrie! Kasan pa ba? Ayan. And yes, and my mermaid friends are here too.
Your
and
mermaid friends.
are here. So, we're just very excited kasi every time, hi guys! Shalom! So, every time magpe-premiere kami, it's always a happy feeling because our dear friends and family are here to see. Yun po, ang aming pelikula. Finally, it's coming out on April 4. In cinemas nationwide, Wonderful Nightmare. This is a project that we've been dreaming of doing, kaming dalawa ni Direk.
Yes.
And we're very excited for all of you to come see it.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman po natin. Wonderful Nightmare! Tandaan po natin, April 4 in cinemas nationwide. Siguro, pwesto lang po tayo, no? Cast and director para po makapagpa-picture po tayo. Ayan, go ahead. Sige po. Ito ka, best friend. Ayan. Salamat. Sama daw ako.